Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install a WordPress website in minutes. If you want to create a website, understanding the basics like HTML is great, but that is like learning classical piano when all you want to do is play rock and roll. Long gone are the days where you have to be able to code to create a website, and today I will show you how easy it really is. First step is to go to Afrio's website or click the link below to save up to 50% on your first month of hosting. There are other web hosting companies, but for convenience sake and simplicity, let's stick with Afrios for now. Once you are on the Afrios website, hover over the Hosting tab to display the options available. Here I want you to select Linux Hosting. Once again, I'm teaching you the quickest and easiest way that I would use to get started. Each type of hosting comes with certain benefits and challenges, but I found Linux hosting to generally work the best with WordPress. Click the compare button so we can have a look at our options and to ensure we make the right choice in terms of compatibility with WordPress. You will notice that the first two basic packages does not offer a MySQL database, so these won't work with WordPress. Let's look at the features. Looking at the Gold Home package, you will notice that it offers Softaculous. This will come in handy at the next step. Scrolling down, you will also notice that Afrihost offers a free .co.za domain, or simply referred to as your website name, with their hosting packages. This is another saving of over R100. Scrolling further down, we will notice that the Gold package also offers PHPMyAdmin, another requirement for easy management of a WordPress website. Now, all of these new terms and different things to consider might seem quite daunting, but do not fear. There is somewhat of a learning curve, but nothing harder than learning how to use Facebook or Twitter. Also, that is why I'm here, to take you through this step by step. After you've completed this process once, you're going to wonder why it was so easy. So, let's get you signed up on your hosting package. It's important to notice that there is a cost of R39 per month for this particular package. Always double check that the option you choose is correct. Although hosting providers are relatively lenient and very helpful in sorting out any errors or mistakes, Afrios gives you a clear breakdown of what you will be paying for the current month as well as for your recurring amount. When you are satisfied, simply click Proceed to next step. If you are not an existing Afrios client, then simply complete the new client section and follow the prompts. I'm an existing customer, so I'm just going to log in. Once your account has been created, continue to the next step. The domain details section is very important. Now, if you have not done a search before this to check if your website name is available, then this could be a bit frustrating. I suggest following the link below to check the availability of your website name before you get to this step. There are also some useful websites listed in the resources section that may help you find a great name. I'm just going to try a few to show you how the process works. It is always a good idea to try and get the .com domain, as you never know how famous you are going to be. But please note that selecting any other extension will incur an additional cost, as only the .co.za domains are free with this hosting package. Now, I have already registered a domain with another name registrar and will just request to transfer my existing domain name. You can do the same if you have an existing website that is perhaps outdated and not managed. But remember, this will cause the existing website to stop working. Once done, proceed to the final step. The payment section is pretty straightforward, so I'll give you a few seconds to complete this. Once all required details are completed, click Complete Order. That is it for the first part of the installation process. Now we have to wait for the website to propagate, which usually takes about 24 hours before we can do the actual WordPress installation. In the meanwhile, make sure to check your email to ensure your account has been successfully created.